Hey guys, we are heading out for another ride. Kyle Bradshaw over there, he's riding the KTM 690. And we're in the way of a truck wanting to come through. So this is supposed to be a different ride, maybe some hard pack instead of the sandy stuff, so we hope it's going to be a little better. But I'd rather be on this 300L and that sound any day than the Transalp when I rode last ride. So definitely riding here is a lot different than even in Arizona where I live. It's just much more sandier. Guys said that they're mostly everything around here is just some real sandy roads like that in this area. So far this is way better on this, but it's not in the real sandy stuff yet. Don't know how far we're going or where we're going. Yeah. To me, this is way more fun than the Transalp as far as on this kind of stuff. Now, the Transalp was awesome, but just as far as riding this kind of stuff, much better on this little lightweight dual sport.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I just want to show them one thing real quick.
I may have to go back and see where they're at.
They're going back.
Huh?
Kyle taking the one guy back to the road.
Oh, is that what he's doing? You're talking to him? Oh, okay. I didn't think he'd want it because this is the same one we done earlier he did on that 300L. We just come the other direction. And when I seen it, I thought, uh-oh, he's not going to want to do this one. Too sandy.
Yeah, this is probably the least amount of sand.
Yeah.
This whole area.
And that Transalp was okay, but well, hell, I can tell the difference in my dual sport. I'd rather be on this any day.
You need to be on that trail when I try in the tires. This is a dead end right here.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
But I figure it's just make a little longer because the basically goes around this little hills right here. It just comes out less than a mile from when we went in.
Oh, okay.
So it's just a little loop.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Good. Thank you.
But I can tell you the 300L to me is way better, and these new tractionators too is probably a lot better than the tires that was on that new Transalp. They had those Shinkos on there, and definitely not so hip on the tires. And when I was riding the Transalp, I couldn't actually review the tires because I don't know the bike anyway. I don't know what it's like riding in this kind of terrain, so kind of hard to say how good the tires was or wasn't. But this bike I'm used to, and I can tell you the tractionators are way better than the stock tires. Now, as far as durability, how long they're going to last, don't know about that. Probably not going to last as long. Usually when they're more aggressive, they're not going to last as long. So I missed it, but I guess the guy that's riding Kyle's 1190 looped it out or something. I don't know. Flew over the windshield. Hopefully, if I can get a clip of that video, I'll put it here. We'll see. But luckily, the guy behind him was recording.
You okay?
Yeah.
Jesus, dude. I hope I have that on camera. Don't. I'll get it. You went head over heels.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Congrats on your first crash. Is it still on?
Yeah, I think
then
so.
I got you.
Hell yeah.
My thing was on the Transalp is I just couldn't believe that this is what they take you on to test ride a Transalp so you can get a feel for the bike. 'Cause you really can't get a feel for the bike on this stuff. But I guess you can get a feel for the bike in this kind of terrain. If this is what, if you're in this area and that's what you want to ride, you can see how it does. And you also got to consider that's all there is out here. So if they're going to do demo rides off-road, this is what you got. And it's all good. I think if I rode this enough, you know, and this, I like doing it because if you never do it, you're never going to get better on it. And I definitely need to get better on it because I'm not a bit ashamed to say I suck at this stuff. Even though I'm way better on this 300L in it than I was on the Transalp for sure. Until I get into something like this right here. It's real soft corners. Kind of, just gotta be careful. Standing up helps, but to me it's harder standing up in the corners, some of the corners. The sharp corners. Because I need to sit down like and get my foot out. I just feel more comfortable. Maybe not about skill, more about, it's just me, it feels better that way. But standing up is definitely better in it. There's that soft sand about to bite me again. Not too bad if you stay in the tracks, but if you ever screw up and you got to get over, into that middle and across it, that's where it's hard to do. That's where it gets you if you're not really hanging on the bars. Keep the front tire light so don't dig in and just kind of go across it. Kind of difficult for me.
A little better now.
Oh yeah.
Marshall South Patch is over there.
Once we get off that super sandy stuff and it's just the sand with some gravel in it and rocks, then it's more like we're at Sierra Vista over there. It's kind of the same stuff. It's gravelly, but it's got that sand in it. Now where I'm actually from the Ozarks. That dirt over there, you got the gravel, but it's hard dirt under it, and it's good traction. It's a lot better. But this is difficult, and that's because I need to get better. So it's nice to ride in this stuff. That's what I mentioned on the video too. I'm like, the only way you're gonna get better is to do it, not to quit. Yeah. Yep. I'd hate to ride one of those big old heavy bikes on this stuff.
Yeah, I don't want to get anything heavy.
Yeah. I hear them. Yeah. I done the demo of the Transalp back the other way through it. And I had a hard time on that Transalp. Just not the bike. It just not used to the bike, and Them tires wasn't near the tires of these tractionators either.
Yeah, it's fun. Not too bad. Just a little squirrely here and there. That was deeper. That was deeper in the first trail for my boy. Squirrely. Just remember, just keep your upper body relaxed as much as you can. You're feeling it. Yeah. Good.
We've lost 3 of our riders, the 3 of the rear, Kyle, Bradshaw, and the other 2. So we're going to go back and see what's happened here. If somebody went down, or somebody broke down, or what happened. I don't think there's any way they could miss the trail, because I don't think there was one with little tiny spurs that actually went off of this. So I don't think it's anything like that. But I heard the bikes back here, just didn't seem like too far back. There they are. Let's see what happened here. Well, I dumped that dude. Just trying to turn around there. It's just that soft is so. Let's say how soft is so sand. Sand is so soft. But hey, that's part of the adventure, guys. Huh? They're just going down the road and back. Okay, guys, we're going to get out of here, back on the road. Headed back to camp right over here. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, check out Mini Bikes on YouTube. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.